In some cases when you are fighting with your friends or with our colleagues, if you speak slow and calm,
That will not work.
no, that will not work.
Yes,
So
yes.
sometimes speaking fast is also a good.
Yes, yes, that's good. But when it comes to the beginners who, yeah, hi, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm doing
I'm
good.
good, and you?
I'm doing good. Thank you for asking.
Sorry, sorry for late. Actually, I didn't check your mail.
So
Just now
it
I have
happens.
seen
Actually, I
and
was
then
also late today. Actually, we were supposed to meet at 11 a.m., but actually, I sent you mail at 11:07. So it delayed
yeah.
from my side, actually, not from your side.
Yeah, I remember, just at around 10:50, around like that, I remember that, she told me 11 o'clock session and I just mail you.
Yeah,
But I mail you and I kept charging to my mobile and I went down.
it
Then I came
happens. It
back and I seen
happens.
mail.
It happens. It's
Yeah.
very normal. Yeah. So before we move on, can you please tell me something about yourself?
Yeah. My name is Chinnaraidu and I'm from Andhra Pradesh. And my qualification MSc Physics, and I worked in a school as a physics teacher a few months, just 4 months, and later on, due to this pandemic, schools are closed. So at present, I'm doing nothing. I just practicing English and uploading videos in YouTube. That's it.
Okay, so you also on a YouTube channel?
Yeah,
Oh, that's great. I was not having any idea about it. So what's your channel name?
Jenny Chinnaraidu.
Same as displayed at your screen.
Yeah, screen, yes.
Okay, okay. So similar content you put there on your YouTube channel, or it's about anything else?
It's normal English conversation videos.
Same as we are doing.
Same.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. So what are your future plans? Like you wanna be a teacher, or you are having something else in your mind regarding your career?
No, that's not my ambition. I just like teaching. And that's why I'm doing. I don't have any goals and plans. I'm just going with the flow.
Okay, so you are not that statistics
Yeah.
type of person.
Yeah.
That's great. So what are your hobbies?
Music. I love music a lot because that makes me happy whenever I feel sad. And sometimes I watch YouTube uh, when I get spare time. And photography. I love photography. When I go out any new places, I like to capture pics. Yeah. These
Okay,
three are my hobbies, main.
okay, okay. So any special kind of photography you do?
There is no special and specific kind. If any object or any place, you know, attracted to my eyes, definitely I'll take pictures.
Okay, okay. So it's just a
Whether it is an
random
object
hobby?
or place.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes.
So it's just a
Yes.
random hobby, or it's your passion?
It's not passion.
Okay, it's just a
I just
random
like
thing.
to
It's
do,
just a
do photo.
random.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. That's
But
great.
I'm not that professional photographer. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. So when did you start your YouTube channel, and how did this idea come in your mind that okay, you will also be going to start a YouTube channel and start posting your videos? Tell me something about your that journey.
Yeah. Actually, 3 years ago, I started YouTube channel. At that time, I was just posting random videos like photography videos and shorts. But recently, just 1 month back, I had a friend from UP, okay, from HelloTalk application, English learning application. And she became my friend and she asked me, she's a beginner actually. And she asked me, can you help me with English? And I said, yeah. and we had a conversation. We almost 1 month, and then after, she suggested me, you do YouTube, and your English is good. Try once, upload videos in YouTube. So because of her motivation, I started.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
was just about to come at that point that, yeah, you are having such a good English, then why you are at this platform? So you replied yourself.
And many times, I felt if there are many people who speaks English better than me, they are good speakers. If I upload, who will watch my videos? I had a big conversation about YouTube channel with her, and she said, no, that's not good. Don't demotivate yourself, don't underestimate yourself. No, she motivated me a lot because of her and doing videos and uploading videos.
Yeah.
But it's not my full-time job, just passionate. After she motivating me, I became passionate about this work. So whenever I get spare time, I just uploading videos in
you
YouTube.
are doing very good. Actually, you are doing very good. There are so many people out there who are not able to speak fluently, or not fluently, they are not even able to speak English. So when we do this kind of
Yeah.
conversation, these random talks help them a lot. Then how can we speak at least in English? And now English is an international language. So yes, this is a very much necessity if we want to grow in our life professionally.
Yes. But I like to speak in English. I love this language.
Yeah. So you speak in your local language and in English, right? Can you speak in Hindi as well?
No, I don't know Hindi, but a little bit I can understand.
Okay, you can understand, but you cannot speak.
Cannot speak. Just a little bit.
Okay. So in Andhra or in South Indian states, I think people are being motivated to see English content, if I'm not wrong, because I have spoken to many South Indian people and they are very good in English. Like we North Indian are not so good in English because we are preferred to watch Hindi content only or in our local language. Is it? Do you people prefer to watch English content?
No, that's wrong. It depends on a person interest.
Okay.
See, I don't like to watch movies. Okay. I don't like to watch movies. I never watched English type of. Very rare I watch. But see, still I'm speaking English. How? That's because of my interest towards English. Okay. So you can't say that all South Indian people, they only watch English content movies. No, that's not right. I don't think so, because I have seen my friends, they are not watching English content videos.
Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, why I asked you a question, because one day I was talking to a lady from Kerala, so she told me only. That's why I am asking you. She told me
maybe in her local area, in her city, maybe their people have they're watching maybe English content videos. But maximum, I guess, in south side, the main Bangalore city and Hyderabad, these two states having software related companies. Okay, famous for software related companies, and many North Indians, Northeast, West side, people are working over there. So obviously, to get a job in a software company, we need good skills.
True.
So maybe because of that, these people are maybe becoming good in English, I guess, because of software companies and industries.
Okay, I have noticed one more thing, that mostly South Indian people use very good grammar. They don't make any kind of mistakes. And it happens with beginners as well. It happens with beginner as well.
To be honest, I'm telling you, to be honest, I'm saying you that I don't know grammar.
But still, you are using very good sentences. So it's not about grammar. Myself, or I also don't know grammar. I don't know about the past, perfect, continuous tenses. I am not at all aware about this. Still, I can speak English because I am practicing a lot nowadays. But the beginners, it becomes very difficult for beginners to understand the sentences when specific, if we talk about the present continuous tenses and all. Still they speak very well. They don't make any kind of mistakes. So how I always ask South Indian people that how you can do that, how you are not making any mistake in speaking.
Maybe because of their studies background, they may came across English medium schools or their studies, their education. Yeah.
And they are very calm as well while speaking. They are not in any kind of hurry. Like we, if we talk about the North Indian people, we are always in hurry. When we speak, we behave like a train that, okay, I need to catch a
Exactly.
train. So we speak very fast. But when it comes to the South Indian people, they are very soft and they are very calm while speaking.
Yes. Yes.
So this is the thing I am like learning from you people, from South Indian people. Okay, if you have seen my previous videos, I used to speak very fast. I used to speak very
Fast,
loud as well.
loud, and active also, hyperactive.
Yes,
I have
true.
seen your video.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I am like that only. It's not like that while speaking only, I do behave like this. I am that kind of person only. But when I spoke to the people from South India, I observed them a lot. I learned them a lot that, okay, you need to be soft. You need to be calm. And seriously, it's helping me a lot. I have improved a lot because now when I speak
Oh,
slowly,
great.
back of the mind, I can make my sentences very well.
Yes.
So
And
thank you so
speaking
much.
faster
You
is
South
also
Indian
a
people are motivating us a lot. So thank you.
You're welcome. But speaking faster is also a good thing because your pronunciation will increase. Like, and you will habituate to speaking English faster, and your mind also will work faster to remembering words and sentences. And that's good sometimes. In some cases when you are fighting with your friends or with our colleagues, if you speak slow and calm,
That will not work.
no, that will not work.
Yes,
So
yes.
sometimes speaking faster is also a good.
Yes, yes, that's good. But when it comes to the beginners who are just learning English, so it's not good for them to speak fast, because I used to make so
When
many
you
mistakes that time.
Yes, yes, due to the flow of
Yes, due to
fast.
the flow, due to the flow. And that was completely unintentionally, because that was in my habit.
Yes,
I am speaking English, Hindi like that only. So the same thing I
yes,
was using in English as well.
yes. It's okay. By practice, you'll become normal and calm
Yes,
in
yes,
speaking
yes.
English.
Everything comes with
But
practice.
it's hard to change. It takes time
True.
because by birth you became like this.
True.
From your child you became speaking faster.
Yes.
Okay, it takes time. Do practice.
Yes.
But whenever you talk with the new people, you try to speak slow, decrease the flow. And when you're going to talk with your close friends, talk with faster. they don't they don't care. Okay.
Yes, yes. But when we speak to our friends, I am still hindered in speaking in English with them, because back of the minds, things going on that, okay, if I'll make any kind of mistake, they are going to laugh at me. So still I face that hindrance. I don't know when I am going to overcome that hindrance. That is a big challenge for me nowadays. I do start speaking with them in English, but after 10 or 20 minutes, I find myself unable to continue the conversation.
Yes.
Yeah, but as you said earlier, that everything happens with time. So yeah, definitely the day will come
Yes.
that we will also be able to speak fluently.
Yeah. But your English is good. Your English is good. I really like it.
So thank you so much. Actually, I always admire the people from South India, because I am in a habit to observe the people a lot. It's not like that, okay, I just need to speak to the people and I just need to put my videos on the YouTube. I never have this thing in my mind. My only motive is just to speak with the people, to observe the people, what all pronunciation they are using, because I'm very bad when it comes to pronunciation, because as I belong to Haryana, so Haryanvi people speak like that only. So I try to observe the people a lot, and this calmness has come from South India only. Yes.
Yeah. Because observation is very important while you are learning.
True.
Yes.
True. True. If I would have idea that you are a YouTuber, that I had gone through your all of the YouTube videos. But so I actually had.
They are only just recently 1 month back I started. I
So
just
how
posted
many
9
videos you
videos.
have
Yeah,
posted? 9 videos.
9 videos.
Okay. So in a day, how many people you have you converse with?
Only one, sometimes no.
Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, you are helping people. You don't need any kind of help. You just need to practice. You are helping us. Actually.
I don't think so. I'm
Yes,
practicing. I want to
actually, I
become
think
more.
so. I think so.
No, I want to become perfect. I know. I'm not satisfying with this English.
You should not be. You should not be. Actually, we always should practice whatever the things. It's not about only English. We should always practice. But yes, when we speak to the people whose English are above our level, then we learn a lot. But when we speak to the people
Yes.
below our level, we just end up learning them, teaching them. Sorry.
Yes.
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 So I like talking to the people like you who has a very good English fluency.
Thank you. Oh my God.
Yes.
I'm not that much fluent speaker. You just see my videos and then definitely will comes to know that he is not that much fluent.
Okay. Today only I'll watch your videos and I'm going to comment as well. Whatever I'll observe. So take
Okay.
my comments, just comment. Yes. They may
Yeah.
be good, they may be bad.
Yeah. No worry.
Yes. So anything else you wanna ask? Because I have another video as well.
Tell me about yourself.
So as you know, I am Sarita and I am basically from Haryana, and I did my graduation in science stream. And nowadays I am doing job in an IT company. I am into sales and marketing department. And recently I have started my spoken English journey, as you know. So it's all about me.
Okay. So when did you start it?
Actually, see, I have knowledge of English when it comes to the understanding part, but when it comes to the spoken English, yes, I was lacking behind. So I started my spoken English in February only. Now from now onwards, I'm going to speak in English.
Okay, and what makes you to start YouTube channel?
See, actually, I promised myself that, okay, I'm going to speak in English. For that, I was not having any communication buddy, because we actually need a conversation partner when we do any kind of practice. So I started making videos, then I started posting on them YouTube just for myself. Because I used to make so many mistakes, but I was not aware that what all mistakes I am making while speaking. So posting videos on YouTube actually awared me that, okay, all these mistakes I am making, because I can understand English very well. I know that what all mistakes I had made actually, but while speaking, I am not aware about the mistakes I was making. So this was the only thing. I started posting videos for myself. But when people started liking the videos, then I thought, okay, now I will start posting videos continuously. Yes. Okay. So this was just a random thing which happened to me for myself only.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that's it. I don't have any questions.
Okay. Yeah. So nice of you. So it's nice talking to you, Jenny. Your name is
nice
Jenny. Am I pronouncing it
Jenny.
right? Jenny.
Okay. Jenny is my surname, yeah.
Jenny is your surname. Then what's your name?
Yeah. Chinna Raidu.
Chinna Raidu. Okay. So it's nice talking to you. Thank you so much for giving your precious time to me. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.